Okay guys, just a quick one. We're Solemates DXB and today we're gonna show you how to stretch out your clothes. So why do we need to do this? Number one, obviously if your clothes are too small. Number two, if you want your clothes to have an oversized fit. And number three, in my case, I wanted to buy a vintage Nike Center Swoosh hoodie in large, but small sizes are relatively cheaper in the market. So I bought a size small for a steal price. Dimension is 20 by 26 and I plan to stretch it out to be a large. So let's try it. Step 1. Soak your hoodie in warm water. Step 2. Add up some hair conditioner and make sure it dissolves well. I say let it soak for at least 2 hours. Step number 3. Stretch your hoodie depending on how you want it to look like. So for me, I want to increase its width so that it could look boxy. That's why I'm stretching it from the sides and not from top to bottom. And for our last step, throw it into the washing machine and let it dry. And here we have the final product. A stretched out hoodie from small to large. Dimension now is 23 by 26. Now I was able to acquire an oversized vintage Nike Center Swoosh hoodie for a steal price. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more life hacks. Peace out.